Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to view saved Wi-Fi passwords. This is incredibly useful when you need to connect a new device, but can't remember your network's password. For Windows, first, open the Control Panel and navigate to Network and Sharing Center. Then, click on your Wi-Fi network name, select Wireless Properties, and finally, check the Show Characters box under the Security tab to reveal the password. It's a straightforward process taking just a few clicks. Moving on to Mac computers, finding your Wi-Fi password is also quite simple. Open Spotlight Search by pressing Command and Spacebar, then type Keychain Access and hit Enter. In Keychain Access, search for your Wi-Fi network name. Double-click on the network entry, and in the pop-up window, check the Show Password box. You will need to enter your administrator password to reveal the Wi-Fi password, ensuring your security. For Android devices, the method can vary slightly depending on your phone's version. Generally, go to Settings, then Network and Internet, and select Wi-Fi. Tap on the network you are currently connected to. Many modern Android phones will display a QR code that, when scanned by another device, shares the password. For older versions, or to see the actual text, you might need a File Explorer or root access, which is a more advanced step. Finally, let's look at iOS devices like iPhones and iPads. While iOS doesn't directly show the password for the currently connected network in Settings, you can access it through iCloud Keychain. Go to Settings, then Passwords, and search for your Wi-Fi network name. You will need to authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Once authenticated, you can tap on the entry to view the saved Wi-Fi password, making it easy to share.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.